Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can use social media as a great marketing tool to help you grow your business. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to build a loyal relationship with your existing clients and attract new ones so that you'll develop a strong brand and the ability to stand out as the authority in your niche. If you want more tips on growing your online influence and building your online empire as a business owner, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video every Friday. Social media marketing is not an optional choice if you want to build brand awareness and market your small business. Social media not only helps you to connect with existing clients, it also gives you the opportunity to connect with prospects and grow your online presence. Many small business owners make the mistake of putting it off because they think that customers are able to find them because they know who they are. But they do not realize how a strong online presence can really benefit their business progress in the long run and how it can actually multiply their revenue. Having a social media presence can also help you be ahead of those competitors who don't already have their social media accounts set up yet. The first tip that I have for you is to define your marketing goals. Marketing goals are specific objectives to help you work towards your desired outcomes, and it is especially essential in growing your business. When you have clear goals for your marketing strategy, you'll be able to know what steps to take in order to have success. Your marketing goals should be clearly defined and aligned with the purpose of your social media campaigns. When you create content with a purpose, you'll be able to come up with strategic content which accomplishes your goals. Some examples of marketing goals are increasing brand awareness, generating leads, providing customer service, building the relationship with existing clients, and getting more sales. The second tip is to be present on multiple social media platforms. Being on Facebook or Instagram alone isn't enough. On the other hand, being on every social media platform is too overwhelming and it can cause you to lose focus. You will first need to know the demographics of your target audience and where they are most likely to hang out on social media. For example, Pinterest reaches 83% of women aged 25 to 54, so if you are trying to sell workout supplements for muscle building to men, you probably shouldn't focus on Pinterest as part of your social media strategy. However, if you are running a food recipe blog, Pinterest will be a great place to reach your target audience. When you know your target audience well, you will be able to decide which social media platforms you should focus on. My advice to you is to find the top 3 social media platforms where your target audience use the most frequently and focus on those 3 platforms. The third tip is to post consistently. Once you have decided on the top 3 platforms that you are going to use, you need to ensure that you are posting content consistently on these platforms. People want to engage with a brand that is active. For example, if you stumble across a page and their last post was from a few months ago, you're not very likely to follow them, right? Posting consistently creates trust with users in a psychological way. What I mean by that is, it will create the impression that you are responsive and present to answer queries because your social media accounts are active. If your last post was a few months or a few weeks ago, people will have the impression that you are not there to respond to their queries, which may create concerns with regards to purchasing your products or services. Posting consistently will also ensure that your content is up to date so that your followers are aware of what's going on and what's the latest news. When you post on a regular basis, this also helps you create more engagement on your social media platforms, which ranks content based on the amount of engagement you receive. When your content receives more engagement, it will naturally be boosted by the algorithm to enable your post to be seen by more people. This is how it works on most social media platforms, especially Facebook and Instagram. According to QuickSprout, 52% of small businesses post on social media on a daily basis. That means if you post daily, you'll be able to make a lasting impression and stand out and be ahead of the 48% of the rest who don't. The thing from holding most small businesses back from posting content daily is because that they don't know what to post. If you look back at your marketing goals, this can really help to direct you with regards to creating your content. The fourth tip is to post valuable content. People need a reason to follow you, and they will only do so if they find that your content is valuable and relevant to them. Most likely, they will follow you because they are interested in viewing updates of your products and services, or they are looking out for exclusive promotions that you can offer them. The best way to provide value is to share content that is informative, such as tips, tutorials, or infographics, and also offer some discounts every now and then so that there's an incentive for them to follow you. The key here is that the content that you produce needs to be worth following in the eyes of your target audience. Flash discounts and contests are a great way to create hype, and you can include rules in your contest such as getting them to follow you, liking the post, and comment by tagging their friends. The fifth tip is to build relationships with influencers. Forming relationships with influencers can help you increase your social media presence on a large scale. Believe it or not, influencer marketing is the fastest growing online customer acquisition method according to QuickSprout. Influencer marketing helps to build credibility and trust for your business because these influencers have already successfully established themselves as the expert in their niche. Studies have shown that tweets from influencers have increased users' purchase intent by 5.2 times. Influencer marketing is also extremely effective because you are already reaching a target audience that are highly focused and relevant. which is why you are able to generate a high return on investment due to the relevance presented, and it also does not appear to be pushy, which is why it is much more effective as compared to ads. It is also more cost effective as compared to running paid ads, as micro-influencers charge around 500 and below per post, and some are even willing to do it for free in exchange for your products. What other social media marketing tips do you have to market your small business? Do leave a comment below. If you want to join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, freelancers, and aspiring influencers, I have a closed group on Facebook called the Instagram Marketing Rocketpreneurs, where I share Instagram marketing advice to help you and your business grow. Click here to join. If you want to learn how to grow your influence on Instagram so that you can build trust with potential clients and get more sales, check out this video over here. And if you want to find out how to create an effective content strategy on Instagram, do check out this video over here too. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, let me know by liking it, subscribe if not done so, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Do share this video with anyone who will find this useful too.